All right, so we finished part one, which is trimming a flat bottom on your cylinder with a beveled edge. This next step is actually trimming a foot on your piece, which is how you finish most pieces, mugs, bowls, basically most things on the wheel. So I'm just gonna tap center it, but if you watch video one, you'll see how to center. We're gonna attach lugs, also explained in video one. Pushing down, not in. Equidistant from the piece. All right, so now for this, it's gonna be slightly different at the end stages. We're gonna do the same thing with the beveled edge. So you notice how there's the flat bit with the wire cut marks, and there's a little bit of a sharp edge here, a flange. So we're gonna actually come in again at our 30-degree angle around, never go in straight. Always bracing, either index fingers contact on the tool or crossed thumbs. You always wanna be braced, both hands. It keeps your tool from chattering, which just means you're not cutting at a smooth surface. It's creating a chatter mark. So from here, I'm gonna switch tools to this tool. So this is a small loop tool, to get that also in your packet. So I'm gonna increase the wheel speed, because as you're working towards the center, you wanna increase your wheel speed in order to work on the piece. So I'm gonna give it a little bit more gas. And if it's on center, it's fine. If it's a little off center, you can do the push method again. I'm gonna come in with the angle of my flat side and make a mark on the inside. That'll be the inside of my foot. So everything inside this will be trimmed out, but that's my mark I wanna stop at. I'm gonna take the round end. Start in the middle, always bracing. I'm actually bracing with my middle finger on the inside, on the center, and my ring finger on the outside here. So it's supported from both sides, and that keeps your piece from flying off. And I'm worked slowly from inside out, stopping at my mark. After I take enough material out, I'm gonna switch to the flat end. This is your finishing end. Same procedure, and I'm gonna stop just shy of my mark. And what I'm really looking for here is a really flat surface with no trim marks, and the cut mark actually shy of where my mark was before. And I'm gonna come in and refine that edge and go back, and it's just kind of going in between those two surfaces to get them clean. The last step is to make the bevel on your foot. This also helps with firing. And it's taking two very shallow angles to create a sharp ridge in the middle of your foot that I'll then use my nail and compress these two surfaces, leaving a sharp ridge in the middle where your pot will sit. And that is a trim foot. Do it. Oh yeah, we're gonna do the rest of them the same way. So I'll just run through these.